Hi, I'm Cristina Cole and I'm an accountant entrepreneur. I specialize in helping SME business owners achieve higher profitability targets as well as the cash flow required for their business. So this weekend, I attended Speakers Are Leaders, and I used to struggle with sales and marketing and public speaking. I really learned a lot from this Speakers Are Leaders workshop because it's a highly experiential training, and the speakers like Harry and Lily are really professionals and they know their stuff. So there's so much learning from them. I highly recommend you to attend the next Speakers Are Leader event as soon as it's out. Again, my name is Cristina Cole, and you can find out more information about the services that I provide and my contact information at www.cfosg.sg.